short. This time we're at Art of Animation with Hannah again. Hey! And right now this is Lion King. We'll come back to it a little later. But we're off to the Little Mermaid section. And I'm going to take a lot of pictures. Up going to the pool, well, not actually going in the pool, but visiting the pool to see all of the flipping artwork and stuff.
Finn's pool.
Flippin' Finn's pool. Yeah. There's Ursula and little fishies all around the pool. Oh, there's Ariel, if you can see her in the back right there. The king. Sebastian. Me. Ursula. Blah. But I think that's like really nice. Maybe hard to see, but instead of rocks, there's shells. And the plants are like seaweed. And now oh, look, a treasure chest. But then we're gonna go to Lion King. Now we're entering Lion King. And these plants look like they belong in Lion King. Sorry. I was gonna say jungle, but that's not correct. I had to correct myself. So other plants are like underwater type. Now look, we're in the forest. I mean the safari, whatever. There is Scar. Those are the hyena. We're at Nemo now. Look, the seagulls. Mine. Yeah. This is look at these fishes. Why are you so happy? The pool area is adorable. Got jellyfish that spit out water, and then you have the P. Sherman goggles thing, and then you have all the little characters in the play area. There's Crush. Isn't it adorable? It's so nice here. It's a little play area. Let's go down the slide. Ow, it's hot. Yay. I would do that. Oh, look, a little cave. There she is. Oh, look, there's another slide. I want to play. Now we're entering Cars Land, Radiator Springs. Not to be confused with Cars Land and Disney's California Adventures, which I'm probably never going to be able to see in my life. But yay! And then we're gonna go to Animation Hall. Look how cool! I'm fascinated by this, if you can't tell. Mater used it. Daniel fainted. Looks like he had just been painted. Rusty's walking on rocks. We're at Luigi's. There's the Como Hotel pool. I like this hotel so much. I love these types, like the All Stars and Pop Century, which I still need to visit. And this one. Oh, look at that little sign. Hey, it's like we're in New Paltz. Okay, there's Sally. But what's behind this box? Lightning McQueen. Are you in there? Yeah, he's being fixed, so I guess I'm not gonna be seeing him.
Oh, I think he's on the side of there.
Oh, there he is. On the way out. Think Sheriff slow. You won't get busted. Think again. Because he's not rusted. Brought to you by Rusty's. We're entering Animation Hall. Look at all these pictures. Oh, arcade. It should be based on Wreck-It Ralph. gonna head back to the bus and go back to the apartment, get ready to go to work. Thanks for joining us.